over here, I would like to share it with you. It's an espresso machine and I received it for the valuation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This machine is very nicely designed, beautiful appearance, compact, and yet the water tank capacity is 41 ounces, which is great, so you don't have to refill too often. It also features pressure of 20 bar that provides you with amazing, rich and full aroma coffee. The operation is very simple. It's designed with the backlit LCD display and two options at the front, 1 cup of coffee or 2. On the side, it's designed with the rotating knob so you can switch between making coffee and steam function. It's designed with the steam wand so you can froth the milk and make so many different varieties of coffee, including cappuccino, latte, frappuccino, macchiato, and so much more. This machine is also designed with overheat protection and it shuts off automatically after 15 minutes if not in use. This espresso machine is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, it makes absolutely wonderful coffee, and it's super simple to use, and it looks nice. Definitely a great addition to any kitchen, and I'm sure it will be a very nice gift idea for your loved ones for birthday, Christmas, Mother's Day, or any other occasion. I would highly recommend it to you.